Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a zip file on the Find application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Find application which is built into the Mac computer. We also need to have access to the zip file which we have created in the previous tutorial. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to the Find application. And now let's locate the zip file that we created. If I were to, let's just say, go back one directory. And let's now go to the documents. There we have photos 2023.zip. If I click on this, I can delete this zip file a couple of ways. We can use terminal to delete files. I can also use a keyboard shortcut. I can also right click and move to the bin. Let's right click, highlight, right click, move to bin. Let's now go all the way onto the dock, go to the bin. Let's now change the view, empty. Are you sure you want to permanently erase the items in the bin? You can't undo this action unless you have the software that allows you to go inside the bin and recover those deleted items. Let's empty the bin, and that zip file that was created in the previous tutorial has now been deleted. So we can now quit Finder. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.